Best unlimited Korean grill in the metro, hands down, period. For me lang naman yan at saka sa family ko, at saka few of my friends. Pagdating talaga sa Unli Samgyup or Unli Korean Grill, name it, halos nakainan ko na yan lahat. Pero Lian's Tea House for me is still the best when it comes talaga sa actual meat. Taga-Imus pa kami nito and mga kuya ko taga Batangas pa. Pero di na namin mabilang ilang beses kami bumalik. Ayan, talagang dinadayo pa namin for their unlimited meltik and butchesal. If this is your first introduction to Lian's Tea House, I am not even going to discuss the regular unlimited price. Skip na yan. Dito na agad tayo sa premium. Kasi ang binabalikan talaga namin dito is their butchesal and meltik. Nice addition. Meron na rin silang butchesal. And I think improve yung pork samgyeopsal cut nila. Of course, they have only side dishes, only cheese, egg, and drinks na rin nakasama. They are still my favorite unlimited Korean grill restaurant here in the metro. Dahil lang sa quality ng meat nila kasi in fairness, malambot talaga. Specifically yung meltik and yung butchesal. Even yung cheese nila dito, masarap din. Nice addition yung galbi, in fairness, manamis-namis and tender yung mismong meat. Compared to other galbisal, parang sa kanila yung pinaka-okay. Considering na unlimited to, meat quality really is a steal. Hype na hype no? Pero for me, medyo malaki kasi yung lamang. What I do think that they really need to improve lang. And this is to all unlimited Korean grill restaurants. May mga times talaga na parang undermanned sila. Hence, mas nagiging inconsistent tuloy yung service. And minor lang to, I really hope na Lian's Tea House can improve their seats para lang sana mas comfy for everyone. We also got galbi jim or beef stew na very tender, rightfully umami and manamis-namis. Adjo na still crispy, tapos may bite ng shrimp, and tteokbokki na medyo on the sweeter side na sana may konting spice pa. We got takeouts pa para di na namin problemahin yung dinner. 4+1 yung dosirak nila and pwede nyo orderin online. For me, Lian's Tea House is still unbeatable if we talk about meat. Sa totoo lang, halos bumabalik kami dito buwan-buwan. Itchoy!